love you. Yeah. I'm high, now I wanna get high. I do it for the love, always for the love. I fuel off the love, don't stop the love. How you doing? What are 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 you doing? I wanna be in your ear daily. That would rock. Don't slap Chris Rock. I'm all alone. I prefer that. I like to be alone. Sometimes I can't sleep. I've been on it lately. I'm proud of myself. You have no idea. No idea. No idea. No idea. I want to get rich so I could do stuff with people one day. Hey, I think about it every day. 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 I know it would make me feel better. This isn't enough. At least I'm not homeless. I once was homeless. Some guy took me in. I was his boyfriend. 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 So I moved back with my mom. Now I'm at the group home. I'm not as bored. Thank the Lord. That's my word. Once I sneezed around the cross, around Jesus. Sneezed around Jesus. Achoo! That cracks me up. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this.